Okay, I want to get... Let me get a good shot of it.
You want to see it pop?
Oh, I want to get...
You're
Okay,
gonna, like,
what are you
pop
going to
it with
do? What's
something?
wrong with it now?
Oh, I think he has an ingrown toenail, so I'm going to squeeze the pus out of it.
Alright.
Alright, here, dude. You want to let those kick in a little while? Alright, dude. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1. This is what you're gonna hate.
Punch him! Ow!
Yeah, I know, dude. I know. I didn't tell you it was gonna feel good, did I?
No! Ow!
Bite, dude.
Bite!
Oh! Is it over?
Yeah, I told her. I'm putting the Band-Aid on it here in a second. As soon as I find